weather's not too kind to us this weekend. Storm force winds, torrential rain. Welcome to Wales. Good morning everyone, and welcome to Gateway Holiday Park, near Llanelli. Here we are, a little weekend away. Yes, this is a bit of a different one, because actually we're only about just under an hour away from where we live, and yet I've never been here before to this park. It's been here many years, and if the weather was great, it has it all. It does. Let's have a little walk around, because the weather's not too kind to us this weekend. Yes. So it's a very busy weekend, even though the weather's unkind. The storm force winds have created a bit of havoc around the site. But I'm glad to be on hard standing when we have heavy persistent rain. But it's been so dry for such a long time. I hope that we'll be all fields safe from flooding. Okay, here at Gateway they do have a few fields, so you have a choice. Look what we can see to the right, some pods. That's another field. I'll put up on the screen the names of these areas. Just here is the toilet and shower block. Very busy this morning. Obviously the recycling area, and they are quite particular here on the old recycling scheme. You have a bag for this, a bag for that. This and that goes together outside, and don't put this in that bag because you might get a £2 fine. Yes, apparently if you put the wrong selection in the wrong bag, £2 will be deducted from yourself for the inconvenience of resorting it. There you are, so you've been warned. Looks as though all the pods are actually occupied this weekend. I'm not going to go up and look through the window. Don't think that goes very good for my reputation. Peeping Steve? No thank you. But they do have, look at that little barbecue area, table and chairs. And yeah, I don't think there's anything much in there rather than a bed. But if I got a little picture, I'll pop it up on the screen. Okay.
Prices. Well, they do so many different offers. But basically, touring pitch with hard standing is £24 in low season up to £34 in high season.
Down onto the rally field. Let's have a look. And this weekend is a bit different, as I said, because we do have our friends all here. It makes a lovely weekend when you got What's Occurring, Birdie Bus, and all the rest. I can't remember. I've only just got up this morning. Blimey. But had a long old sesh yesterday in the clubhouse. But what else can you do when the weather's against you? Storm force. I'll name that hurricane. I'll name that weather. Yeah, so went in there about 2ish, and we had to back down to the van at about 10ish. But entertainment was on, liked it. Yeah. Okay, Steve, stop rambling. Let's have a look at the rally field. Okay. Oh, it's going dark. Well, that means Steve's going to be hit with something very shortly. Okay. Oh, I can see our friends. Oh, they're quite close to the toilet block here. Yeah. Well, I know if the wind and the sun was in our favour, then it would be a beautiful view here. This is the River Lacha. Yeah, the Lacha River. But, wouldn't think it's July at the moment. Oh, here we go again. See, what Steve does for Wills and Wheels. Braves all the elements. Yeah. The only people out and about now are coming back and forth to the toilet block. I think we're all waiting for the bar to open again. Oh God, yes. Another bottle of Doom Bar, please. Another bottle of Doom Bar. See, if it's up and running, kids will be very happy. Keeps them all occupied. Oh, blimey, look, someone's driven off and left their levelling blocks. They're not cheap either. Oh, when they get home, they'll realise their mistake.
Yeah, God, we did have some rain last night. I think it came down biblical at some times. I'm not saying we had a lot, but when I opened the door this morning, I saw cats and dogs queuing up 2 by 2.
I must say, I am quite impressed with this fun fair. Well, it would be better if it was actually up and running. But I can see the potential. Yep, I can. I was never a rider, really, of the old fun fair. No, still not. I rather watch. I'm a watcher. So they're doing tokens here on the rides, which is always probably better putting over some tokens rather than cash. It was it's always more friendly on the pocket then, isn't it? They have got the fun fair too. Mind you, didn't see it go in last night. Ooh, I quite like this area here. Definitely for the Welsh rain. Keep it under cover, and then no excuse for not coming out, is it? And staying and hibernating there in your van. The Tiki Bar. Yeah, passed here last night about 10 o'clock. And they were selling hot burgers, hot dogs, and wouldn't mind trying that actually. Kebabs, yeah. And Steve's quite partial to the odd doner now and again. And they have plenty of live entertainment. There you go. Looks as though it's every Saturday, Sunday. Well, last night, what night was Friday? Yeah. And there was a great band on at 9:30. Yeah. Would like to see it all, but Steve couldn't handle the pace. No. 10:30, Steve had to say, I gotta go back now to the band. Yeah. They have a little stage out here sometimes too. I remember viewing some footage of what's occurring in Rian, doing a bit of live dancing there. Oh, what can I see now? The Funny Farm. Oh gosh, I've been told I should be going there more than once. It's got it all, I must say. I've been told about this place many times, and they are saying, some good reviews. Well, pony rides available. Yeah, don't know if they'll be seeing today. So when you enter the resort, you'll be driving up a wide lane and you'll enter this car park. And they're very good here because as soon as you check into reception, there'll be someone to meet you, and then they actually guide you, take you right to your pitch. Yeah, but there is something different here which I haven't encountered before. Electricity meter cards. Yeah, I hope it's not the way everyone's going to go in the future, because then you're forever looking how many units you got left. You have 30 units, 10 units a day. We're here for 3 days. And if you spend more than that, if you use more than that, then you can top up your card, obviously, payment. But obviously, I don't think we'll be using any more than that this weekend. But in the winter, I can see it happening. Here we are. Here it comes again.
Time to have a little look in reception. And if you're not into the live music, well, why not spend some time in the quiet tavern bar? But if you like to be entertained, you come to the right place here at Gateway. And if you run out of the odd item, I'm sure you'll find it in this little shop. Slot machines for the adults.
Ooh, Josh Jones Hair Studio. Oh, maybe a visit for Steve. I don't think so.
And what child doesn't love the amusements? I certainly did. Don't forget, Steve, they also have a swimming pool and a soft play area too.
Well, obviously back outside now. Let's have a little look to see what we've missed. Yeah, there we go. While the sun's out, let's see how different it looks. That tent there looks like it's hanging on for grim death, determined not to blow away.
Here comes the Freeland train. Whoa, slow down, driver. You're not in a Grand Prix. I just thought, where do flies and wasps go in windy, stormy weather? You know, you don't see them whizzing past you, do you, at 50 mile an hour? Maybe there's got some place, little hideaway. Come on, guys. Yeah, we can go out now. Yeah, wind's dropped. Here's Rian and Di's van. What's occurring? Great company. And here's Gateway's very own fishing lake. I remember the only time my father took us fishing, he showed us how to cast out. My brother did it for the first time and hooked a swan. Oh, bloodbath. We never went fishing again. However, if you know what you're doing, it's free to fish. But remember, whatever you catch, they like you to put them back.
Didn't see it go in last night. I think they were blown the old rides off their rails with the wind. I don't know how much I'm gonna see. We'll make our way back to home. Oh, I quite like this. Penalty shootout. Yeah, there would be no stopping me when I was younger. This is more my style. Yes, let's have a little look around the fields that we have missed. Yeah, alright. This seems to be seasonal pitches over here. So, unless you're interested in them,
We'll walk on.
and as it seems to be another rain stop play, Steve's gonna retreat now back to Homer, but I'm definitely gonna be drying out my clothes again. It's lovely, isn't it, eh? July in Wales. Oh, and I've walked right past Homer.
And we're parked on the Ospreys field. We have hard standing with electric, and there's plenty of water points around the site too.
So we're gonna walk over the bar area now, meet everyone, because on a day like this, there's not a lot you can do. So come on, let's see who we can see. Never been here before. Looks promising, gotta say that. Little fun fair. You get blown off the ride today, right? Yeah, it'll be just a ride in itself with this storm wind. So here we are. Yes, it's July. You wouldn't believe it, would you? You wouldn't. Never mind. All set to test us. Gosh, the van was rocking earlier. It's not from what you think either. This would be nice too, wouldn't it? It would. Right. Polite notice. Gosh, filling up. It's filling up. There's rugby on. Steve sees the bar. Who can see? I can't see anyone. Yeah, driest place I've been to this weekend. Well, I can guarantee it won't be this empty in a few hours' time. Right. Yes, there's Rian coming in as well. Zoe's in second place. We're over here. We've kept a table. And there is the main man. There is the main man.
Birdie Bus.
John himself. The famous, the one and only I say, you got it before I said it.
The number one YouTube channel that
This will be censored. Oh, I got to cut this.
For any brave soul that decides canvas is their preference this weekend,
Then this is the field for you.
And if you have liked what you see, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, push that button. It don't cost nothing. And it does help Wills and Wheels. So, until next time, thanks for watching. See you later. Bye bye.